Welcome and welcome back, fam. Please be sure to subscribe. Let's dive right in. Why am I always broke? Again, if you're asking this question month after month, you're not the only one. In fact, more than 51% of the world's population live hand to mouth according to recent research. If you're sick of seeing a negative balance in your bank account, it's time to get to the bottom of why you're always broke. If you're sick of feeling broke, you can take steps to improve your money management, build financial security, and get out of debt. But where do you start? To help you out, I've listed common money problems that keep people broke. Review these possible reasons why you're broke and pick some action you can take to fix the issue. Reason you're broke number 1, you're living beyond your means. The biggest reason you might end up broke is simply maths. You're spending all your earnings or more. Plenty or less than ideal moves could put you in this position. Maybe you're buying unnecessary things or overspending to keep up with friends over fear of missing out. Or perhaps you often make impulsive purchases rather than planning out and saving for them. To fix this, step back to get a big picture view of your cash flow and of the money coming in and going out every month. Figure the amount you remain with after taxes. And lastly, review expenses to see if you are overspending and figure out where you can cut down. The reason you're broke number 2, your fixed expenses are too high. Recurring expenses can be a pain point for any budget. If you pay for much on these repeating costs, it's a mistake that will haunt you for month after month. This includes basic living expenses like rent, car payment, or even your phone bills. Other fixed expenses are more optional, such as entertainment subscriptions